I'm diving into the world of QQQ stock to predict what's next, and trust me, it's going to be a wild ride. The QQQ stock, also known as the Invesco QQQ ETF, is a major player in the technology sector, tracking the Nasdaq 100 index. This ETF is a favorite among investors because it offers a way to invest in the biggest and most innovative tech companies out there, like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. With a huge impact on the market, what's happening with QQQ can give us clues about the overall health of the tech industry. QQQ stock is currently facing some tough challenges. Market volatility is one of the big ones. Tech stocks can swing wildly based on the latest trends in investor sentiment. Interest rates are another factor. When they're high, it can become more expensive for companies to borrow money, which can affect their growth and, in turn, their stock prices. And let's not forget about economic factors like inflation and recession fears, which can also play a big role in how QQQ performs. These market conditions can really shake things up for QQQ. For instance, when interest rates go up, investors might start pulling their money out of tech stocks and into bonds or other investments that offer higher returns with lower risk. And during economic downturns, companies might see a drop in demand for their products, which can hurt their revenues and stock prices. It's a complex situation, and investors need to stay on top of these factors to make smart decisions. The performance of QQQ stock has been pretty impressive over the years, with some amazing growth periods. But it's not just about the past. Recent trends and expert predictions can give us a clue about what's to come. For example, if experts think the tech sector will keep growing, that could mean good things for QQQ. On the other hand, if there are predictions of a tech downturn, investors might want to be more cautious. In recent times, we've seen some interesting movements with QQQ stock. While it's had its ups and downs, many analysts believe it still has room to grow, especially as tech continues to evolve. Predictions range from steady growth to more significant jumps, depending on how things go with tech innovation and market conditions. What's clear is that keeping an eye on trends and expert analysis is key for anyone invested in or thinking about investing in QQQ. The big question on everyone's mind is what's next for QQQ stock. One prediction that's gaining attention is the potential impact of emerging technologies. Some analysts think advancements in areas like AI and cloud computing could drive significant growth for the companies in the QQQ. Others are looking at how global economic shifts might affect the tech sector as a whole. Looking deeper into some of these emerging trends, the integration of AI into everyday tech is a game changer. Companies that are leading in this area could see their stock prices soar. Similarly, as more businesses move to the cloud, those providing cloud services could see a lot of growth. These are just a couple of examples, but they give you an idea of how important it is to stay informed. Experts also point to the importance of diversification within the tech sector. By spreading investments across different areas of tech, investors can protect themselves from downturns in any one area. It's a strategy that could pay off, especially if you're looking at the long-term potential of QQQ stock. In conclusion, what's next for QQQ stock involves a mix of challenges and opportunities. From market volatility and economic factors to emerging tech trends, there's a lot to consider. But one thing's for sure, staying informed and keeping an eye on expert predictions will be crucial for investors. So, what do you think about QQQ stock's future? Do you have any thoughts on where it's headed? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, check out my previous video on tech stocks for more insights into the world of technology investing.